How to stop unauthorized subscription charging your Google. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can stop unauthorized subscriptions charging your Google. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So to stop unauthorized charges, canceling any subscription directly through Google Play or Google Payment account is the only way. Just uninstalling an app does not cancel a subscription. So what you'll need to do is just go ahead and open up your Google Play Store. After you're there, tap on your profile icon on the top right. After you're there, you will need to head over to Payments and Subscriptions. And after you go there, you will then need to tap on Subscription. And you will see the list of subscription that you have on your Google. So simply tap on a subscription and tap on cancel. After you do that, the subscription will get cancelled, and you must cancel at least 48 hours before the next payment date to avoid being charged again. So keep that in mind. Also, what you can do is go back from here, go to payment verification, and from here make sure that you have turned on payment verification for every time that a payment is done. So if you do this, whenever a payment is going to be charged, you will be asked for verification. So head over to verification frequency from here and just choose always, then tap on OK. After you've done that, you can then basically go back and you're good to go. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.